Previously on Beyond the Build.
Our tech Mike has been sitting on the lawn chair just chilling, nothing to do.
We're gonna do 4 and 4.
Yeah, scraping all the old silicone off the block, scrape it with a razor blade, hit it with Scotch-Brite, brake clean it, make sure everything's clean and dry and flat before we go ahead and put new silicone on and start sealing everything back together. Here on the left we have our cylinder head from LME, CNC ported both on the intake runner and on the exhaust runner. You can see the difference here that it's got a nice smooth finish. They actually take out a little bit of material too to help improve flow. You can see we have dual spring with titanium retainers here on the LME head opposed to the single beehive from the factory heads. And these LME heads, they also have an upgraded full solid stainless exhaust valve, which is an upgrade over the stock one. The heads we got from LME, which are CNC ported, and basically what that is they just run a CNC program through their intake and their exhaust runners, which makes them more efficient, makes them flow more air, and that in the end makes more horsepower. And then we also have LME's billet front cover that they sent us, and this also is part of the VVT delete that I was talking about. Right here there's actually, that's part of the control for the VVT, and on this one, as you can see, that part is gone. So it'll be basically a direct bolt-on.
So the guys from Vengeance are crushing it out right now. We've noticed that if you put some extra Swisstrax on top of your Swisstrax floors already, it's extremely slippery. So I think we're gonna see if we can have some fun with that.
What's up? This is Wheelie Warren. We're gonna do Speed Society Slip and Slide. All right, get set up, bud. Get your lasso on. All right, get down low. Give them a little push when they take off. Man, I don't know where we come up with this stuff. We gotta try it though. 3, 2, 1.
That definitely wasn't fast enough, so it's time to hook him up to the 50 and see if we can make it a little more interesting.
So we got this here, 50cc.
Whoa. You guys gotta wait.
You need some safety equipment, Nick.
So I roll out there. Nick has no safety gear on. I got to go to Smudge's car, grab all his protection, helmet, gloves, so the guy can stay safe. He looks like a friggin' superhero. He's got all the gear on, the helmet, the gloves, everything that's needed for your normal superhero except the cape.
He thinks that was fun. That was not even close to fast enough. This is Speed Society, so let's take him outside and see if we can speed this up a little bit.
They moved this to the pavement, so this is gonna hurt worse.
I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, and now it's here.
There's so much friction. I can't believe I got that far. That was so good.
This is the one time we've done a speed slidey test, and I haven't gotten hurt.
It's a long way to go. To perfect the technique, man. It's all in the technique.
At the end of the day, Nick's alive, nobody got hurt, time to get back to work.
Everything's back together now, so it's time to put the engine back in the car.
So once you get the accessories and everything you need, the clutch and everything, we just drop the engine back in from the top with a cherry picker. It's a little bit tight, but you know, a little finagling here and there and plopped right in.
So it's 5 o'clock and the Vengeance guys killed it, so it's time to have a little fun.
Oh, we lost a baby.
We're actually gonna use some leftover baby shower ice cubes that have a baby in the middle in their drink.
You mix this one up? The day just wrapped up. I see some drift trikes over there in the corner, and I don't know, they fired one up a minute ago, so I'm not sure what that's quite about yet, but I have a feeling I'm probably gonna find out.
I was like hitting the brakes, and it was like, it started bouncing. I know. Look.
Yeah, that's your phone, right?
Somebody else go. The front brakes don't do.
Next time on Beyond the Build.
Good morning.